Hey guys, Dylan Mitchell here with a big announcement that I am super excited to share. So, if you've been following me on the internet for the past 6, 7 years, you'll know that I run a firm called Cowabunga Studios, which specializes in Revit automation for electrical systems, right? Your lighting, power, fire alarm, low voltage, and automating the placement of those devices throughout your Revit models in just a few clicks and in just a few minutes. The cool thing is now I am teaming up with John Moloch and we've created vertical design services, which means that we're getting back, or I am getting back into the engineering world and working on actual building projects, but specializing in the design build world. What this means is we get to be close to contractors and help them through really the design process and being a good partner to them early on in design, right? A lot of electrical contractors are, you guys are fantastic at building a project, putting it together, doing it efficiently and effectively so that all the building systems run, right? Everything pretty much runs on electricity outside of the structure. So, with that, we're super excited to really dive into the design build world. One of my first jobs in coming out of college and really internship was doing electrical safety and arc flash studies. What this meant in reality was that I, as a young kid, basically went around with electricians and opened up electrical gear throughout the entire facility, from the main incoming service to kind of the last distribution piece within the system. So typically a disconnect, and we determined the fuse size, make, model, circuit breaker, make, model, settings, cable size, and then we put all that into a model to then give incident energy levels for arc flash. What this meant and what I really learned out of that is there's a ton that I don't know, right? Electricians are super great at doing that, which is why I'm excited too for John's background as an electrical contractor and now being in the lighting world. He brings all of that experience to the table and really helping me understand what contractors need, and especially design build contractors, as that's been his focus for the last 9 years, is in the design build world and really helping those electrical contractors. So with John and myself, we're really geared and teamed well to help design build contractors, to help them put pricing together and do design very early in the project and the process, because that's my background, is doing really big projects, schools, hospitals, offices, manufacturing facilities, you name it, I've designed it. And to help those contractors bring in a lot of the design principles and getting numbers and counts and quantities put together really fast, really quickly, to allow them to more accurately bid projects, to allow them to really get some numbers quickly and effectively. And then for us to be a good design partner in taking a lot of their feedback on, manufacturers that they prefer, means and methods that they want to use, right? Are we limiting conduit size? How are we going to market with them? Right? What pieces can we help that contractor do? And then, what can we help teach them and they can help teach us, and really marry the two sides of the coin, right? And that's the beauty of design build projects. We're not adversarial. It's, hey, we're in this together to win this project, to create a good product for the owner and a great building that they'll love to be in and operate. So John and I teaming together on this to create vertical design services is something I'm super excited about, and especially to be in the mix and helping design build contractors. Now, Cowabunga Studios is not going away. We're still going to create software, and actually, we're going to get even better with different project types and mix on our own projects, and creating that feedback loop even faster. So, Cowabunga Studios is going to be kind of a integral part, if you will, to vertical design services, and offering, speed, consistency, and everything that every contractor and anybody wants out of an engineer is good, timely responses, great engineering, and good communication throughout the whole design process, and ultimately doing the right thing. So, and John and I are both aligned on those core values of providing great service, doing the right thing for all of our contractors, our clients, vendors, everybody that's involved in making a project successful. So, super excited to be teamed John Moloch and creating vertical design services to bring to especially the design build community.